Introduction to Trig, examples 1 through 8. For these examples and these types of problems, we're just going to be plugging the information into our calculator, getting an answer, and writing down our rounded answer. For most of our trig functions, we're going to be using 4 decimal places. What you want to make sure of each time is that you are in the correct mode. So for 1 through 4 here, we need to be in degree mode. So if you look at my calculator up there at the top, you can kind of see that it says DEG. That means degree. If you're not sure, click on the mode button, and it should have whichever one's highlighted, degree, radian, or gradient. We're not going to worry about that last one. We're just using degree and radian. But for right now, we want it in degree mode. So I'm going to type in my first problem. So sine 35, enter, and we're just going to write that decimal number down for our answer. So 0. Number 2, we're going to do the same thing. Tangent 26, enter. So 0.4877. For number 3, cosine 97, negative 0.1219. And then the last one for the degree mode is tangent 65, which will be 2.1445. So those are the degree mode. Our next group is radian mode. Okay, so we're going to need to change the setting on our calculator. We'll go to mode. You can use your arrow key to move over. Make sure you hit enter, so that now if I moved over, it's still got that one highlighted. Wherever I move to, radian is highlighted. And you can see up in the top corner how my calculator now says RAD for radian. You can also kind of tell that we're going to need a different mode if you look at our numbers. If you look at degree mode, notice all of the numbers we plugged in were in degrees. 35 degrees, 26 degrees. In radian, they're in decimal, or you may see them with pi. So let's go ahead and do number 5 here. So now that it's in radian mode, I'm just going to simply still type in cosine. Put in my number, 2.094, enter. So our answer will be negative 0.4997 once we round. Number 6, sine. Remember to use your pi button. Do not type in 3.14. Use your pi button. Enter. The sine of pi in radian mode is 0. Tangent of negative 2.5664 will be 0.6483. And then the last one, sine of negative 2.094 will be negative 0.8662. Now, after you finish the ones in radian mode, I highly recommend that you go back into your mode and change it back to degrees, because most of the time we'll be working in degree mode, not radian mode. Radian mode is just used occasionally. We will be mostly working in degrees, so make sure you go back and change that after you've done those problems.